Hi guys, and today we're going to be trying no glue slime recipe. First is the toilet paper. Grab some. Then you need some gel. I really hope this will work. Okay, then you need like a mixing tool and a mixing bowl. I'm going to use this. Wait, no, that isn't an empty container. Maybe I'm going to empty some of this out. Okay, now we're going to put some gel. And it should take like less than 5 minutes. So I gotta keep mixing. Oh wait guys, I think this is like starting to clump up. Oh my gosh, it's clumping up. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's literally clumping up. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is clumping up like so well. I love this. I don't know why I'm using a pencil, but wait. It's almost ready. Okay. I think it's ready. Oh my gosh. It worked. Yes, it really did work. It's just so simple. It's just gel and toilet paper. This worked like, oh my gosh. Why did it work so well? I'll just put a little more gel though. Anyways, this is like turning into like a very good butter slime. Okay, so this was the first recipe. Time to move on to the others. I'm so surprised this actually worked. Moving on. Okay, before we move on to the next slime recipe, this slime, I put like more gel and it's like starting to become more slimier. Wow. Why does this feel like a butter slime? Now, it feels like a butter slime. This is like, it actually worked. Okay, succeed. So I'll put this away and let's move on to the next no glue slime recipe. Okay guys, for the next recipe, you gotta like microwave a mochi squishy for 10 minutes. This is a mochi squishy. I'm gonna make it like a yellow slime. Then it turns into slime. Like you just gotta mix it up. Then it just turns into slime. Impressive. Okay, so let's melt this. Ding. Okay, I melted this a little bit. It's kinda, like it's, oh my gosh. What? Is this slime or what is this? Okay. Very interesting. It's like this globbery. Oh my gosh. how come all these recipes are working like a succeed? Oh my gosh. But this is so sticky. Oh shoot, what am I supposed to do? Activator spray. See if that did anything. Oh. If it gets like really this sticky, I think you need some, you can just, it's something to people use for laundry. It's called Borax. Or just there's like this like liquid starch thing. They also use it for laundry too. You can use that or borax, or you could use contact lens solution too. Then it will fix right up. I can't believe I made this mochi squishy slime. It literally feels like I melted one too. Literally. Oh my gosh. Why is this like so good? Literally, this is like the best. Okay. Did you guys like before or after better? This was before, this little cute little mochi, and this was after. Which one did you like better? Before or after? I really loved the after, because slime is really my thing. Okay, so far we made 2 little slimes, the toilet paper slime, and this mochi squishy slime. Now for the very last slime recipe. We, you guys might not have this, but it's just like Flom, like this sticky Flom. It's like all over my hands, literally. Oh my gosh, it's getting all over me. Okay, we are going to be making that in a slime slime for like, I don't know how, but we'll just have to like microwave it and stuff, then it will just like get good. Okay, so in we go in the microwave. Okay, so I just microwave like a little. See, it's right here. Oh my gosh. See? Oh, how did this happen? Just how? Now it's like this crunchy purple slime. And it's like doesn't like stick all over my hands. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, now it's you guys reached the end of the video. So which one do you guys like the best? Okay, let's review them and let's rate them. The toilet paper one. This one is a succeed. And this one, I think I will rate it like an 8 out of 10. Not 10 because there's like still gotta like mix in a little of the toilet paper pieces, but this is like very good. Like it's the best. A10. And this mochi slime, I will rate this a 10 out of 10 because it feels like I'm playing with like a mochi, except it's like more like liquid. It's like liquidy. Like it's just like stretches a lot and it's like really squishy and has like a mochi texture to it. And the third one, I will rate it like a 5/10 because some of the beads still go on my hand, but not as much as before. And it's kind of just a mess if you don't play with it like slow and carefully enough. So you just have to play with it like with a few fingers and like always dab it a lot. But half of the points, like half of it was like good. Like the parts that melted, but some parts didn't melt. Okay guys. So the microwaving for the mochi, I told you guys it was 10 minutes. And the microwaving for the Flom beads, I did it only for like 3 minutes. But I think you guys should do it. Try it for like 5 minutes. It might melt all of it. And anyways, let me know which one was your favorite. Toilet paper roll, mochi, or Flom beads. Bye guys!